Hello, I'm going to show you how to use random in Twitter or Teams. First we're going to create a new template. We are going to use a timer which is default 5 minutes, but we can change. Then we are going to get items from SharePoint where we will look at published, if it's published or not. It's a list which I'm using. And this list has 3 columns, the title, URL and hashtag, and the published. So now you're going to see I'm going to push in publish, tweet equals yes. Then we are going to create a compose step. This is important for the random. So as you can see, I'm going to select the expression. I first need to type here something, then I can select a field. So for now we are going to do the value which comes back, and then we can fill out our function rand, where rand is for random. Then we have to create a minimal item and the length of our array. So that's value. After selected, you see this body. Now we are going to add a step where we are going to go and post a message to Microsoft Teams. We are going to select the team, the channel, and the ID. Then we are going to create an expression again. So first we have to, if we would do this output, we would create only JSON. So we want to have strings. So here we go again. We type in output, we select output, and we remove the first letters, and we are going to add the question mark that it could be empty, and then we are going to show title in the first message. Then we are going to add a space, and we are going to do the exact same thing, not this thing, but exact the same thing for the URL. And I'm sorry, my screen is a bit going up and down. So now we are going to select the URL. And we are going to add the hashtag. So again, output, question mark, at the end, the field name between quotes, and then OK. And now we are going to save it. And at the moment you save it, it actually also executes. So you already see here something. So I'm going to add a new one, add some text. As you can see, it already run. So I'm going to run it again. And we can see it ran again 4 seconds and 34 seconds, which means that it's working. Thanks for watching this video.